You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name. How do you say Sweden, the country, in Spanish? That's how you pronounce it. That's how you spell it. You have it on the screen. There's going to be two different pronunciations. In Spain, central Spain, they say it as Suecia, with the C pronounced more like TH, with your tongue between your teeth. Suecia. Suecia. Now, in other parts of Spain and in Spanish-speaking South America, Central America, Mexico, Suecia. Suecia. Overall, it's Suecia with an S sound or Suecia with a TH sound. Suecia is how you say Sweden in Spanish. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.